Today we're talking about a knife that's built a serious reputation over the years, the Reeve Knives Umnumzaan, or as most people call it, the Zaan. It's bold, it's expensive, and it's one of the most talked about folders in the EDC world. But the big question is it still worth $500 in 2025? Let's find out. The Umnumzaan is Chris Reeve's full-sized heavy hitter, and it absolutely feels like one. You get two thick titanium slabs for the handles, a precision-machined S45 VN blade, and your choice between a tanto or drop point profile. This one's rocking the drop point harpoon style, clean, balanced, and surprisingly elegant for such a tank of a knife. Inside, it rides on phosphor bronze washers, not bearings, which tells you immediately this knife wasn't built for fidgeting. It was built for reliability and long-term use. Once it's finally in hand, the first thing most people notice, this thing is stiff. The thumb studs sit really close to the scales, and at first it's kind of awkward to open. You'll probably end up with a sore thumb before you get it down. But give it a week. It breaks in, smooths out, and becomes incredibly solid. Not a fidget toy by any means, but that's not what it's trying to be. This is a use knife, through and through. And when it comes to hard use, the Zaan absolutely delivers. It feels almost like a compact fixed blade, rock-solid lockup, great tolerances, and confidence in hand. Those phosphor bronze washers might not spin like bearings, but they'll keep working when bearings seize up, especially in dirty, wet, or gritty conditions. If you need a dependable tool you can actually rely on, this is one of the best out there. Titanium scales pick up snail trails almost immediately, those light scuffs from pocket carry. Some people hate them, others love the patina. Personally, it adds character. And if you ever want to refresh it, Chris Reeve offers a spa service that'll make it look brand new again. Then there's the small glass breaker tip built into the blade. It's functional, sure, but a little divisive, maybe not the cleanest look. Still, it's a minor detail on an otherwise flawless build. In hand, though, the ergonomics are phenomenal. The jimping is soft but grippy, the contouring is perfect, and the harpoon swedge makes precision cuts effortless. So, is the Umnumzaan still worth $500 in 2025? For anyone who values craftsmanship, dependability, and American-made quality? Absolutely. It's not flashy, it's not fidgety, but it's a knife that'll outlast nearly everything else in your collection. If you found this review helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.